Hey guys, we're gonna do some live fastest lap challenge on the shop track back here. So I got all the guys back here. It's 2:30, so we figured we'd play around. Got some special cars out, Mega G and a Mega G Plus, which should be a lot of fun. And then we're also going to be doing double duty. Sam is going to be videoing this also for long form version. So we're gonna jump right into it. Hopefully you guys can see everything good. We'll do the intro again for Sam right here. You see that mic? Hey guys, we're gonna do fastest lap challenge. We got all the shop guys back here. We got a custom Mega G original that has lights added to it. It's over on the other side there. And then we also have a new Mega G Plus. I have turned the voltage down so that we don't destroy the lighted car. When I was testing it, one of the lights already went out, which is kind of a bummer. And I had a custom made off of eBay years ago. I didn't have it custom made. I bought it off of eBay and custom made. And one of the freaking lights already went out, so I'm gonna have to fix that. But we're gonna run it one light, has tail light still, so let's see. Who wants to go first? Not it.
Kenyon will go first.
Kenyon? All right, we'll run the lighted car first. So as you guys know, if you've watched these videos before, we do 5 laps. And we usually start after the timer so that you can get basically a half a lap for free. So Kenyon's gonna be up first. Looking good. Oh, and it's off. It's back on. So that was lap 1 on the board, 8.75. All right, lap 2, 5.1. He drops that to a 4.8. Getting crazy. 4.9 that time, last lap. One more after this, actually. 4.6, this is last lap. Oh, and he crashed it, so 4.697. So let's throw that up on the board.
I didn't know that car would crash.
Let's get these tires clean. Bridger, you can go up next since your finger in the car already.
Yeah. Apologize, Bridger.
I'm sorry.
Yellow flag.
And remember too, we got double cameras going. So we're live on Facebook over here. We're doing YouTube on this one. So if you guys see this again, that's why. Bridger is ready to go. All right, Bridger, go for it.
All right, so we'll get just a lap head start.
Yeah, you haven't counted a lap until you go through there. So we got 5 people on right now. How you guys doing? Hopefully you're enjoying this. This is a one headlight wonder. Bridger gets on the board with a 5.6, so he's got about a second to knock off. Goes to a 488, so within 2/10 or 1/10 actually. He's got to get it under control though. He's only got a couple laps left. This is his push lap. 5.08. One more after this. 4.83, still not quite enough. This is his last lap. And he goes 4.684. He takes a Canyon by a couple thousandths of a second. 4.684. So great job. Let's get Owen up there next. Owen, you can go next. Show the camera real quick. I'll show you guys. This is the rig we're running right now. So I believe this is an AFX Orca car. Does have headlights and tail lights. But we're running on low voltage right now. I don't want everybody to destroy this thing. I mean, everybody's different skill levels. We're just having fun. So hopefully you guys enjoy this one. Tires are clean. Let's get computer reset here. Okay, Owen's up. Owen's our newest member at Viper. Still learning the slot car scene. Doing a good job. First lap, 5.4. Good start.
Always a good slot car anyhow.
5.1. He's doing it. 5.0. So he's got the rest of this lap to get back under control, and he's got 2 more after that. So.
What were you doing, 10 laps?
Just 5.
All right, that's it. That's going to do it for Owen. So he gets on the board 5.091. 5091. Can you get that up there?
5-0 for Big O.
Yellow flag.
All right, Sam, you want to jump in or you want me to do it?
I'll jump in.
All right, sweet. Let me see that mic. All right, guys, Sam's jumping in there. We got the computer zeroed out. The rig is ready to rip through the S's. Oh, there we go. All right, here we go, guys. We'll give you guys the same view here. This is one perk to working at Viper is you get to play around sometimes. Kind of play all day, but it's all good. Hopefully you guys enjoying this one. Got a pretty good amount of viewers on right now. What kind of lap times we got for Sam? I hear the buzzer on 5.5, 5.3, 2 more to go. 5.0, that's going to be his quickest lap. 5016. 5016 for Sam. Do a quick close up of the car here. So original Mega G, Orca body. I think that's what they call this thing anyway. It's got lights and stuff on it. Pretty sweet. Hand this over to Sam. Give you the mic. Hopefully it's not all there. All right, John is up.
I'm already rigging it.
All right, here goes John. Tires are cold. He spins out on the warm-up lap. Oh, spins it out again.
Coming too fast out of this one. Get on the gas later.
5.09. 488. Did it really? It just quit. It literally just dead stopped. All right, he'll get an extra lap. What is going on here? It must be those lights. That is strange. Let's see.
Might not be the best review for this car.
Try it without the body.
You should probably contact the eBay seller you bought it from 6 years ago.
Yeah, I get 2 extra laps without the body.
463.
Way faster.
All right, let me put this body back on.
You guys have no idea how hard it is to drive without the body.
No downforce. Yeah, let me put this thing back on there.
Because of all that.
390. You guys suck.
All right, well, we're running it without the lights. So go ahead and get back over there, Johnny.
It's always got to put on without the lights and then with lights.
All right,
That was pleasant.
redoing that one. It was super smooth. It
Yeah,
sounds gross with a body.
Put a Lexan on like a Jag. Probably be a lot of fun.
I guess it's not really good.
No, put it on. That's why it's crashing. It's cut down.
I took the lights off.
Cut out stuff.
What in the world is going on here?
Yeah, that 390 counts.
That is mysterious.
Oh, it's like,
Hold on.
4.9 was like.
No, I'd like an apps. Go get that black prototype body.
That is so weird. The lights have got to be. What is going on with this thing? Oh, you know what? No, this might be
Traction control.
the original Mega G curse that's happening right now.
Are the brushes bad?
No, but that's really strange. Yeah, the pickup shoe system on the original.
That is an old
The pickup shoes hitting the body.
It might be. There's a lot of like stuff on here. Dang, so you know what? We'll just have to end that one. It looks like Bridger took it. 4.68. Bridger takes that one. Dan and John, no time. We got crushed, guys. We got crushed. The Mega G failed us. So these are notorious for having spring problem or pickup shoe problems. So as you can see, the back of the pickup shoe coming off the brush barrel. As soon as that happens, power goes away. And almost always, the more that you run them, the worse it gets. So there is a fix for that, which using a lifelike M chassis pickup spring and then straightening the spring out, running it up to touch the brush barrel works great. But fortunately, we had to end that one early. So next up, we're gonna run the Mega G. So okay, so we'll run that other Mega G. This is a Mega G Plus this time, the E car. We are on low voltage, so we'll go ahead and have Bridger can go first on this one, since he was our champ.
Yes.
Were you the champ? Yeah. Okay, you want to start there or over here?
I'll start over here.
Okay, you want your tires cleaned or?
Nah.
Okay.
I'm gonna just bring them all the way.
No, they made them better. They're smoother now. No, just because. Oh, this is an old one. I know we modified this.
Bridger's adjusting dial.
This one has the hyper pin.
Even changed the traction control. Didn't look like it
He's
worked.
turning dials. He wasn't looking at them. He was just turning them. Trying to look like a pro.
Ooh, he drifted. He drifted right there. 6.86, guys, 6.86. Pretty good. This is a completely bone stock Formula E Mega G Plus. 6.74. 6.63. And he goes off. Still got a couple laps left. So the difference between this car and the one that we ran earlier is this one, I did put a set of Viper silicone tires on it, so that did make a big difference. Obviously you can see in the times, it's like 2 seconds off. All right, that's it, Bridger, 6.436. That's his number. We'll get Owen in there next. Owen, you can jump in there. Let me reset this for you. All right, Owen, ready to rip. Check our Facebook Live.
Oh yeah, Owen's got this in the bag. Looking nice.
It's a bummer that thing had moisture problems. I mean, you could feel free to send us some pictures, Gene. Support at viperscalracing.com. But a lot of times when they have moisture problems, there is not a lot you can do because the surface gets destroyed, basically. So it might look like you got a track, but in reality, you might unfortunately just have some firewood. But yeah, shoot us a message and we'll check it out.
It's up in the spot.
6.2. 6.2. Owen takes it. He still has, actually, that's last lap. So let's do 6.281. I think I'll jump in and go now. I haven't run for a while.
Yellow tie.
I wish there was like a quicker reset on this thing.
We should do fastest lap on the drag strip.
Did you do best reaction?
Reaction time.
Like shaking.
So 6.
5.
5.8.
585.
5.6. Dude, it just came alive. All right. I know I get broken.
That was a 568.
5.688. All right. Who's up now? Sam?
John goes.
John?
Try not to break this one.
Okay, take your body off. I'm gonna do it left-handed.
Yellow flag.
Well, we should try that where everybody drives with their.
I'll grab my toes.
That's Chris. Y'all are cooked.
All right, here we go. 5.6. Time to beat.
Control over my left hand, so it'll probably be faster.
5.63.
Oh, first lap, he crushes it.
Oh, yeah, that's control over this.
5.5.
He's driving left-handed.
Dang. Now everybody's gonna start driving left-handed. Watch. Yeah.
Almost at the same time. I'll stop there because the timer's so close.
All right.
Left to right.
Okay, so far, John, 5.569. It's like Sam's up.
Trying to give you a chance.
Time to clean up now.
Yellow flag.
5.569.
Get ready to watch and learn, everybody.
Fresh off of vacation.
Okay. Oh, and he's in the fence. He's in the fence. Hopefully nobody got sick from that action right there. Last lap. Is it the one? He does it. 5.79. 5.796. So not quite enough, but good lap. So it looks like John's the winner of that one, huh? 6 point. Or no. Oh, Kenyon hasn't run yet. Kenyon's still coming up. Let's get this thing reset here.
We should run a V3 next. Yes.
Yellow flag.
All right, guys. Last round in this session of fastest lap challenge. Okay, first lap on the board for Kenyon. 5.61. Wow. 5.199. What in the world? He just goes 5.1.
Yeah, I won
4/10 of a second. What just
We
happened?
just smoked you, John.
It's like a whole different car. He tries to shortcut it.
That'd be sick if
That'd be so sick. That would be the most clutch thing ever. Oh, yeah. All right. I think that's going to do it. Kenyon takes that one. 5.199. So Kenyon takes the win. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Hopefully you guys up there enjoyed that video, and we'll see you on the next one. Also, too, if you have cars that you want to see us run for Fastest Lap Challenge, make some suggestions in the comments. We'll see you on the next one.